Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about lip liner, one of the most powerful yet underrated products in the makeup world. A good lip liner can completely transform your lips, define their shape, make them look fuller, and help your lipstick last all day. Whether you love a soft natural look, a bold glam style, or the perfect overline lips, this video will give you all the inspiration and tips you need to master the art of lip liner. Let's start with why lip liner is such an essential product in every makeup routine. Many people think lip liner is optional, but once you start using it, you realize how much of a difference it makes. Lip liner creates a clean and precise border around your lips, preventing your lipstick or gloss from bleeding or smudging. It also adds depth and dimension, making your lips look more structured and defined. Even on no-makeup days, a simple lip liner with gloss can give you a polished and effortless look. Choosing the right lip liner shade is very important. Nude lip liners are the most popular because they match with almost every lipstick and gloss. A nude liner that is slightly darker than your natural lip color is perfect for creating a fuller lip effect. Pink and rose shades give a soft and feminine look, while brown lip liners create that trendy 90s lip style that is currently everywhere. For bold makeup lovers, red, berry, and plum lip liners are perfect for dramatic and glamorous looks. The 90s lip combo has made a huge comeback, and lip liner plays the main role in this trend. A deep brown liner blended with a lighter nude or pink lipstick creates a beautiful contrast that makes the lips look bigger and more dimensional. Topping it with a clear or glossy finish gives that iconic, supermodel-inspired style that looks stunning on every skin tone point. One of the most popular lip liner techniques is overlining. Overlining the lips correctly can make them appear naturally fuller without looking exaggerated. The key is to slightly line above your natural lip line, especially at the cupid's bow and the center of the bottom lip, and then blend the liner inward. When you add lipstick or gloss on top, the result is soft, plump, and very flattering. For those who love a natural everyday makeup look, a soft brown or pink lip liner blended with lip balm or gloss is the perfect combination. It enhances your natural lip shape while still looking effortless and fresh. This is a go-to look for school, work, casual outings, or no-makeup days. If you want a lipstick to last longer, filling in your entire lips with lip liner before applying lipstick is a game changer. It acts as a base and helps the color stay in place for hours. This technique is especially useful for events, parties, and long days when you don't have time for constant touch-ups. Let's talk about textures, because lip liners now come in so many different formulas. Creamy lip liners are easy to apply and blend beautifully, making them perfect for beginners. Matte lip liners give a long-lasting and defined finish. Waterproof formulas are ideal for all-day wear, especially in hot weather or special occasions. Another beautiful trend is pairing lip liner with lip gloss. A darker liner with a lighter gloss in the center creates a stunning ombre effect that makes the lips look fuller and more dimensional. This combination is perfect for both everyday looks and full glam makeup. Lip liner is also amazing for correcting the shape of your lips. If your lips are uneven, you can use liner to balance them and create a more symmetrical appearance. This small step makes a huge difference in your overall makeup look. For bold and classic makeup, red lip liner is a must. It defines the lips and keeps red lipstick from feathering. A perfectly lined red lip is timeless, elegant, and powerful. It instantly makes you look more polished and confident. Make sure your lips are prepped before applying lip liner. Exfoliating your lips and using a lip balm creates a smooth base, allowing the liner to glide on easily and look flawless. Dry lips can make the liner look uneven, so lip care is very important. Blending is the secret to a perfect lip liner look. Harsh lines can look unnatural, but when you softly blend the liner into your lipstick or gloss, the result is smooth and seamless. You can use a lip brush or your fingertip for this step. Lip liner is not only for lipstick. You can wear lip liner alone with a gloss, with lip balm, or even by itself for a matte lip look. This makes it one of the most versatile products in your makeup bag. Another trending technique is contouring the lips using different liner shades. A slightly darker shade on the outer corners and a lighter shade in the center creates a 3D effect that makes the lips look fuller and more sculpted. Your lip liner can also match your overall makeup style. For soft glam, go for pinky brown tones. For full glam, choose deeper shades with sharp definition. For natural makeup, stick to nude tones that enhance your real lip color. Confidence is the most important part of any lip look. When your lips are beautifully lined and styled, it changes the way you smile, talk, and pose. It gives you that extra boost that completes your entire makeup. Lip liner trends continue to evolve, but the main goal remains the same: enhancing your natural beauty and expressing your personal style. Whether you love a minimal look or a bold statement lip, there is a lip liner technique for you. Next time you do your makeup, don't skip the lip liner. Experiment with different shades, try new techniques, and find the combinations that make you feel the most beautiful and confident. Another important thing to remember when using lip liner is choosing the right texture and finish for your desired look. A creamy lip liner glides smoothly on the lips and is perfect for a soft, natural, and blended effect, while a matte and long-lasting formula is ideal for bold lip looks and special occasions where you want your lipstick to stay in place for hours. Waterproof and transfer-proof lip liners are especially helpful for events, long days, and parties because they prevent feathering and keep your lip shape defined without constant touch-ups. If you want a fuller lip effect, using a slightly darker shade on the outer corners and a lighter shade in the center creates a beautiful gradient that makes the lips appear plump and dimensional. Lip liner is not only for defining the lips but also works as a base for your entire lip makeup. Filling in your lips completely with liner before applying lipstick helps the color last longer and fade evenly throughout the day. This technique is perfect for people who want a long-wear lip look without frequent reapplication. For a soft, everyday style, you can blend the liner toward the center and top it with gloss to achieve a fresh, youthful, and effortless finish. Glossy lips with a well-defined lip line are one of the biggest beauty trends, and they look stunning for both day and night makeup. When it comes to selecting lip liner shades, nude tones are essential in every makeup collection because they match almost every lipstick. A pinky nude is perfect for daily wear, a brown nude gives a trendy and contoured look, and a deep nude adds drama and elegance to your makeup. Red lip liners are must-haves for classic red lips because they prevent smudging and enhance the boldness of the color. For creative and modern makeup looks, you can also experiment with ombre lips by combining two different liner shades and blending them seamlessly. Preparing your lips before applying lip liner is another step that makes a huge difference. Smooth and hydrated lips allow the liner to glide on easily and look more flawless. You can gently exfoliate your lips and apply a light lip balm before starting your makeup. This not only improves the application but also keeps your lips comfortable throughout the day. Using a sharp lip liner pencil gives you more precision and control, making it easier to create clean and symmetrical lines.